Well guys, on my past videos I've been asking a few questions about using AI voiceovers or me speaking in the videos. Many of you don't like the AI, and I guess I'm gonna try speaking myself. So if you like it, let me know. If you don't, also please let me know. Also, another question I've been asking you is if you want different locations, and you have told me that you are interested in watching some other areas also. So in this video I'm bringing you a place called Biscayne Island. It's an island close to Haulover Sandbar and the inlet. This is a place where all the yachts spend the day anchor, and they have their own parties. This is a wild place to visit on the weekends, and sometimes you can catch really crazy stuff. So this is a place I will be visiting more often, and I will start bringing you more content from this area. So now just enjoy the video, and please let me know if this is something that you want me to keep doing. Alright, so take care and have a great day. Well guys, this is the video for today. I hope you liked it, and I also want to let you know that more content is going to be uploaded daily. So if you like yachts, boats and powerboats, be sure to follow the channel. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.